Filming?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to show you guys the
Prototype 1.
prototype number 1. We call it P1.
It actually doesn't look that bad right now.
Yeah, except we like took 5 pounds. And just,
I don't weigh 5 pounds.
No, yeah, it was definitely.
I weigh 120.
Yeah, it was good.
Okay.
Until we realized that.
So prototype 1.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is building prototype number 2.
Yeah.
Here is a first part of that. And there's a prototype 1. Doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, that's P1.
Yep.
I'm making sides of P2, and he's making P3.
P3?
Yeah, that's right. We're going all the way. Got a lot of prototypes. Hope this will work.
Stay tuned.
Hopefully one of them will work.
Okay, and here are the second and third prototypes we made, and we're gonna see how much weight they can take until they break. So let's see.
And so, as you can see from this picture, here we have prototype 2. We had to use this ghetto sketchy setup of a cutting board and then the weights. They didn't have free weights. They only had these weights. But we got it to work. This one only held 130 pounds. There's only 50 right here. We couldn't take videos and at the same time multitask. We're bad. But it held 130 pounds. It weighed less than a pound, about 14.5 ounces. And there it is, flattened, horribly. Yeah.
Instead of just showing you pictures, we also have the real deal here. This is the prototype I was working on, prototype 2. It had a pretty cool design. We got like triangles with a bar in the middle, just X's, and they just overlapped and they went together, and then in the middle we'll do a secure cross beam. And as you can see, they're not broken, they're not bad. It's just I don't know, maybe the trusses, so the trusses weren't straight, so too much weight, and bam. Probably also these bad boys weren't doing so well. Probably needed more stability on the top in the connection, but yeah.
And here we have prototype 3 standing at 14.5 ounces, same amount as the last one, prototype 2, but it held 30 pounds more. It actually held about 160 pounds, while the last one held 130. And it did better, so this is the prototype we're going to go with for our last and final bridge that will be tested. We hope it does well, and we're rooting for you, buddy prototype 3. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Never mind. But before you say, Martine, you've beaten that dead horse way too many times, so there is still one more thing we need to talk about, and that would be the designs.
Ethan, this is the design that we chose. Why this one? Well, because it's the one that held the best weight out of all the prototypes. Prototype 2, failure. Well, not so much of a failure, but prototype 3 held the 30 pounds over the 160. As you can see, it has the 3, let's make this work, the 3 verticals here with the 2 two legs of the triangle. Why this design? Well, it's just the one that worked the best. As you can see, it's held by one on the top and then one on the bottom, provides stability. And then we just did 6 of these, and then with the same kind of like holding on the top, with just like more glue, better. Ethan has more insights on it in the next part. Give it a second. Problems encountered was the same as this prototype and the same as the last one, how it broke. It just fell to the side. So we decided to add a 4th truss. Again, Ethan's going to show you that that final one. And yeah, the problem was solved by the 4th truss, hopefully. But yeah, that was how we did this one. Just a bunch of those plastered together. We just had to snip that top. But other than that, yeah, let's this is the winner, the 115, right? Right.
And here is the finished bridge next to prototype 2 or 3. Rest in peace. and it's only got a little tilt, but it's, you know, hardly gonna affect it. We have the 4 trusses. We added another one since we only had 3 for the third make of the bridge, and that didn't work. It pretty quickly shifted, because even if there was a little mistake or tilt in the third or the middle truss, then it would have collapsed the bridge. So we added a second one right next to it. That's hopefully going to prevent that, and we won't see what happened to that poor guy. Also, there were a handful of spots where there was too big of a gap to really be acceptable. So let me find an example. Actually, this side was pretty good. On the other side, we had to fill a few of them with small little pieces of the popsicles, and that's gonna keep it pretty level.
What's a YouTube video without any cats? Kitty. Kitty, play. Play with me, kitty. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's right. Oh gosh. Nope, I need that back. Hold up. The end. Bye.